지금부터 내일까지. What does this sentence mean? If you notice, the word in red letter is putto, because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we are going to study about the word putto. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 197. Butto. Butto. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is bu, the second syllable is to. Pronounce it with me. Butto. Butto. The word putto is the counterpart of the word from in English. This is actually a preposition which indicates time and place. To be specific, this indicates the beginning or the starting time and place. How do we write putto in Hangul? Let's start with the first of the two syllables. To be able to write the syllable bu in Hangul, we need to draw first a B character followed by an U character. For the second syllable to, we need to draw first a T character followed by the A character. And then we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to form the Hangul of the word butto. Now let's try to look into this example English sentence. It says, from now until tomorrow. Again, from now until tomorrow. The Korean translation of this is 지금부터 내일까지. Again, 지금부터 내일까지. This sentence could be subdivided into four. The first word is 지금, which means now. The second word is putto, which is our word for today, and it means from. And for this case, since putto is attached with 지금, when we say 지금부터, it's the same as saying from now. The next two words are 내일, which means tomorrow, and 까지. 까지 is like putto. It is also a preposition. But if we will think about it, time and place always has a factor of beginning and ending, or a starting point and an ending point. So if putto indicates the starting location or time, 까지 is used to indicate the ending location or time. So when we say 내일까지, it's the same as saying until tomorrow. So if these four words are combined, it would result to a sentence that means from now until tomorrow. So this sentence is talking about time. The beginning point is now and the ending point is tomorrow. So looking back to this, which is flashed at the beginning of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the sentence 지금부터 내일까지 is simply from now until tomorrow. And with that, you've just learned putto. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 187 to 196. But don't forget, our word for today, word number 197, putto, which means from. Word number 196 is 생일, and this is the Korean noun for birthday. Word number 195 is dakcho, and this is used to say shut it or shut up. Word number 194 is 약속해. This indicates the present action of promising. Word number 193 is 의사, and this is the Korean noun for doctor. Word number 192 is hepa, and this is used to say, try to do it. Word number 191 is posoyo, which means so, or this indicates the past tense form of the action to see. Word number 190 is moksori, and this is the Korean noun for voice. Word number 189 is bom, and this is the Korean noun for spring season. Word number 188 is taepong, and this is the Korean noun for typhoon. The last for our review is word number 187, wasoyo, and this is the past tense form of the verb to come, which is came. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean.